Hey everybody, Seth Buchheit here, Chinook RV's factory representative here in Peru, Indiana, where we build Class B and B plus motorhomes. Today's video on the all-new Bayside rear twin 360, the RT 360 for short. Super excited to show you this video today. Let's get started. Starting on the outside of this beautiful all-new floor plan, we're doing the Bayside rear twin 360. The Baysides are built on the Ford Transit with all-wheel drive. A lot of goodies are packed in the Ford Transit we'll get into in a minute. Starting on the driver's side, you're gonna have your entryway into the Ford Transit cab. We're gonna include keyless entry with that. We'll go more into the cab when we go inside. Notice here on the driver's side, it's a pretty naked-sided motorhome. On most Class B motorhome vans that I see, it's got a lot of cuts and holes and drills on the side, and we don't do that. We actually keep everything centrally located right here in our water center. You're gonna notice our gray and black tank dump right there, plenty of ground clearance. You're gonna have another gray tank dump back here, and then also notice the Onan generator exhaust. On the outside of the van, you're also going to notice our adventure package with the Chinook RV roof rack, the ladder, and then the Chinook RV steps as you do enter into that cab. Another package on the outside of this specific van is the blackout package with the all-terrain tires and wheels, black wheels. All new table coming out of the slider door, new for 2026. Super excited for that. You can use that for cooking, use it for TV, lots of different options. On the back here, you do have your whole aisleway. What I love about this floor plan, you can do long length items such as kayaks, some fishing poles, whatever you might need to bring with you, long length. You got the whole cab. Also, we have really nice storage under here by MoRide that can come out, opens, closes, pretty nice. Also this side, drawer as well. Got your battery disconnect right there, and then bug screens on the rear door and the front door. Sorry, slider door. Also notice these doors wrap all the way around to make walking in the campsite pretty easy, getting the door out of your way if you'd like everything open. All right, let's go talk about the Ford Transit cab. Entering the Ford Transit cab, you're gonna notice we recover the seats with a padded leather. That is very nice. The Ford Transits usually come with a cloth seat. Also inside, you're gonna have that big 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, regular navigation, as well as all your settings and features. But a new thing that we got this year is the heated seat feature for our motorhomes, which is really nice in these Bayside vans. You also have a brake controller and auxiliary buttons. That's something unique that we order. We also order the bigger fuel tank, the 31-gallon fuel tank from Ford. And we also make sure it has all of the safety features like the 360 camera and that 10-inch touchscreen, the adaptive cruise control, which slows down as you come up to a vehicle, and then the blind spot detection here on the mirror. These Ford Transit vans are coming very well equipped. Now let's go check out the inside. Okay, going inside the new rear twin floor plan. So talking about what's special, two huge rear twin beds that turn into a rear king bed, and I'll put a video clip in so you can see that. Very Great layout in my opinion. Allows us again to keep the aisle fully open if we want to for long length items when we're traveling. And then you got plenty of overhead storage. I'll open one of those up so you can see. Plenty of storage. We have some items in here like your front cab shades that are included with the motorhome. Opening windows back here over the beds, which are a really nice option. Under the beds you have a little bit of storage down here. That's nice. Laguna table for eating, playing cards. And then you have your bug screens that zip. You can close it up. Now back here in the living area, you're gonna have a smart TV. So when you're relaxing, if it's raining, you can watch TV. You can also bring like an Xbox or a PlayStation, simple DVD player if you want to. You can hide that up here. You got an HDMI cord that passes down. Right here, you have your Victron touchscreen. The Victron touchscreen is with a 3,000 watt Victron inverter and 300 watts of solar. Now this is a 360 coach, so Expion 360 lithium batteries are on board, and those batteries are 648 amp hours worth of lithium battery power. That will run your air conditioner for at least 8 to 10 hours, depending on the environment, of course. What I also love about the Victron, if we talk about it for a second, is the Victron allows for remote service capability. So if you're somewhere where you're far away from the dealer, but you have Wi-Fi, we may be able to help you out while you're on the road. Going into the kitchen, you have solid surface countertops, residential fixtures, the double induction cooktop, and then convection microwave. Over here you're gonna have your refrigerator with freezer combo. So here's your freezer drawer. Coming around over here, refrigerator. Plenty big sink. Up here is your command center. So this is where you control your lights, your water pump, your generator that we have on board with the lithium system, the Truma Aventa air conditioner, and then the Timberline heat and on-demand hot water. Also right here is the on and off switch for the Winegard Wi-Fi booster. All centrally located in one place. All right. I hope everyone really likes the new layout. Please give us any feedback in the comments below. Let's go outside and wrap this thing up. Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's video on the all-new Bayside rear twin bed 360. We appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just feedback, please leave it down in the comments below or shoot us an email at info@chinookrv.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.